Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to add subtitles in InVideo AI. Let's begin. First, open the InVideo AI website. Select the project where you want to add subtitles. Click on Edit to enter the editing interface. Once inside your project, choose Edit Script. Here, the full script of your video will appear. To add subtitles manually, click the plus icon, then select Add Text Element. Set the type as lower third. Now, type or paste the part of the dialogue you want to display as a subtitle. Copy the spoken line, right-click in the text box, and paste it there. After entering your text, click Add, then close the box. To continue, repeat the same process for any other sections you want to subtitle. Click plus, add another text element, select lower third, paste the next line of speech, and add it. Finally, click Apply Changes. The subtitles will now appear on your project timeline. This method helps you manually sync the text with your video for better clarity and professional results. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.